The brake pedal position sensor, or BPPS for short, is responsible for reporting that brake pedal's position to whichever various modules require it. Now, the sensor can be used to turn on those rear brake lights on your vehicle, it's used to disengage the cruise control, it's used to disengage the shift interlock, and it's also used for certain engine and transmission controls. Now, you'll typically find this sensor located underneath the driver's side of the dash, directly connected to the brake pedal assembly with either a clip, a bolt, or it's actually threaded in. But make sure to take note of any sort of special orientation or mounting instructions that may come with the sensor. Many of these sensors also need more with the installation. They may need to be adjusted, they may need to be relearned to the vehicle, or there may be an initialization procedure that needs to be performed. It's always a good idea to consult your vehicle's service information so you get that proper installation procedure. Now, if your brake pedal position sensor is failing, you can end up with quite a few different concerns, and this is going to depend on your vehicle. The most common complaint with these sensors failing is related to the brake lights themselves. They could either not turn on at all, not alerting drivers that you're braking, or they could be turned on all the time, and this would in turn kill the battery on your vehicle. It's also possible with the sensor failing that your shift interlock may not disengage, so you may not be able to get the vehicle out of park if the sensor's not working. If your vehicle's a push button start vehicle, it may not even start because it needs that input from the sensor. It needs to know you're stepping on the brake to be able to start the vehicle. This sensor is also able to store trouble codes in the related modules, the most common code being a C0277 or a variation of that. Now, take note that not all scan tools are going to be able to access these C-style trouble codes. Generally, this is going to take a full function scanner like something from a shop to be able to read the codes. So why should you get yourself an NTK brake pedal position sensor? Well, as with every NTK sensor, you're getting yourself this premium quality product with outstanding support and industry-leading innovation that's been bred directly from our company's OE heritage. These attributes and more truly make NTK the sensor specialist.